Hi guys, in this detailed Lean Belly 3X supplement review, I'll be walking you guys through my experience with this weight loss supplement because I'm someone that has actually purchased and used Lean Belly 3X. So what I want you to do is pay close attention and listen to everything I have to say in this video before you get to decide on whether you will buy this product or won't buy this product. So I will walk you guys through the pros and cons and my personal experience with the supplement, which what I discovered, which you have to avoid if you don't want to lose money online. Now let's get started by making sure that everyone that's watching this video actually knows exactly what Lean Belly 3X is and how it works. So Lean Belly 3X is a weight loss supplement that uses the best natural ingredients and combines them in a unique recipe to fight against weight gain, disturbed sleep, low immunity, and impaired cognition. All of these are common problems today, and yet there is no medicine available for treating them unless they turn into a serious disease. It leaves a user confused about what to do to improve it without using medicines. Well, here's the answer. Dietary supplements like Lean Belly 3X helps to promote good health without causing any side effects. It works on metabolism, immunity, blood circulation, and burns fat altogether. In a way, it also reverses natural aging, and all of this is achieved within a few days of using it. This supplement is enclosed inside a sealed bottle, and every bottle has 120 soft gels inside, and this bottle is meant to be consumed within 1 month. The supplement is natural, vegetarian, and non-GMO, hence completely side effect free. Now that I'm sure that everyone that's watching this video knows what Lean Belly 3X is all about and how it works, let me now start walking you guys through my personal experience with Lean Belly 3X. So actually I heard about Lean Belly 3X through an article on Facebook that actually promoted weight loss. So I clicked over and looked through their sales page. At first, I didn't believe the product. Promise, I didn't. Because it just promised a lot. And that's when I went over to YouTube to search if I had seen any genuine reviews of people that had used the product. I actually got to YouTube, searched, and I was seeing a bunch of junky videos of makeup images and robot voices in the background. The fact that I didn't see any reviews kind of discouraged me at that point. And that's even why I'm making this review video to help other people. But I later saw the AdWords again and went back to the page only to discover that they had a 60-day money-back guarantee. And that's exactly why I bought the supplements, knowing that if it didn't work, I would just ask for a refund and I would get back my money. So I paid for my bottles, got them delivered, and I started using them as prescribed. And guys, I won't lie. I actually started seeing results from the way I slept, felt, and looked. In just the first 1.5 months, I had already lost about 50 pounds. That's why I look better now. I was worse before. So yes, Lean Belly 3X works for weight loss, and you can see my pictures of me before and after on the screen. I would recommend it to anyone that's really looking to lose weight without having no stress too much. But you have to make sure you stay away from the official sites that I talked about earlier. So when you go to places like Google and search for Lean Belly 3X review, you'll notice that there are a bunch of websites at the top that look and tell you that they will give you 70% discounts, 60% discounts, or even 90% discounts and stuff. But you have to stay away from those kinds of websites, because if you fall for what they tell you and finally enter your credit card or PayPal details on their website, they will take all your money in your account. And obviously, will not send you any bottles of Lean Belly 3X because they are not official owners of the product. What these guys do They simply create websites that look like the official websites. And what they do after they've created these websites is they go to platforms like Google and run advanced targeting for people like us who are searching for genuine reviews, knowing that if they offer us huge discounts, we will fall for it and enter our credit card details on their website. That's what the game does to make sure you enter your credit card details and they withdraw all your money and leave you. So, you want to make sure you're staying away from all these websites that promote huge discounts. To make sure you're 100% safe, I put the link to the real and official website with the original discount where I bought my own bottles from the product description in the video, description below with this, so that whenever you're ready to buy some, you can come back into this video and use the link. It's the first thing that you will see in the video description below. And even if you're not ready to buy it after watching this video, I'd recommend you save the video to your watch later on YouTube and come back to it whenever you're ready to buy. So now that I have walked you guys through my personal experience and the scam that I warned you guys about, let me walk you through the pros and cons that I found while using Leanbelly 3X. Okay, I'll start with the pros. The first thing that I would love to mention as a pro that comes with Leanbelly 3X is that it is a unique supplement that doesn't only target weight loss but follows our comprehensive approach for inducing a stable body system in a natural way. And the second thing that I would love to mention as a pro that comes with Leanbelly 3X is also the fact that it is made up of all natural ingredients and there are no hidden or artificial ingredients inside it. The third thing that I loved as a pro that comes with Leanbelly 3X is the fact that it actually works, as I myself have lost a lot of weight just by using it. So the fourth thing that I would love to mention as a pro is the fact that it shows results in a few weeks of usage. My own significant results started coming about 5 weeks and a few days. And the fifth thing that I would consider a pro is the fact that it doesn't cause any distress or any kind of side effects. And the fact that you can equally get your money back is to be considered a pro. Because it actually makes the whole thing risk-free for you, because you can buy the supplements, use it and ask for refunds if you don't see any kind of results. So now that we have looked at the pros, let's now look at the cons that comes with Leanbelly 3X usage. The first thing that I would love to mention as a con that comes with Leanbelly 3X is the fact that it actually requires a lot of discipline. Because if you are someone that cannot keep up with a routine on taking your supplements, then I don't think Leanbelly 3X would be a good thing for you, because consistency matters. But if you can actually keep time and take the supplements as prescribed, then I would strongly suggest or advise you to give Leanbelly 3X a shot, because it will work for you. The second last thing I would love to mention as a con that comes with this product is the fact that for now it is only available online. So to wrap up the whole review, I can strongly say that from my experience with Leanbelly 3X, I love the way and I'm satisfied the way I am looking now, and I would strongly recommend Leanbelly 3X to someone that is currently looking to improve him or herself weight-wise. And also, don't forget guys, make sure you're buying it from the official website. I have left a link to Leanbelly 3X official website with the discount where I bought mine, and I'm 100% sure that you will be safe if you buy through that link. So please give this video a like and also comment no more scams in the comments so that this video will be seen by more people like you. Thanks for watching.